Hey, what's up, guys? It's Residual Rogers, and today I wanted to shoot hopefully a quick video providing you guys an in-depth review on the Power Lead system and all of its features. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the back office. I wanted to also talk lead generation with you guys, automation to help you free up some time. I wanted to also talk about duplication within your team. Hopefully, people that have joined the business with you are having similar results, if not better results for that matter, okay? And just marketing in general, okay? So, before we get into that, let's actually take a look at the anatomy of a sales funnel. I know a good majority of you guys are new to internet marketing. You joined a company, they provided you with an affiliate link, which leads directly to a sales page, which is great if your prospect purchases the first time around. You make money, of course. However, a good majority of your people are not going to purchase the first time around. So, what needs to happen is you need to um, capture this person's information, allowing you to follow up with this person later, okay? Usually do that via email, phone call, however, whatever works best for you. Okay, so that's what we're going to go ahead and take a look at, the proper way to set up your sales funnel and how you do that very easily
All
using
right, so
Power
what
Lead
we have
System.
here is the basic form of a sales funnel, a marketing funnel, okay? I like to keep things simple. That way you can not only understand it, but implement, this all on your own. Maybe even share it with people on your team, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. The first step would obviously be to generate traffic. Every business needs traffic, okay? There's a number of ways to do this. We'll go ahead and get into that later. So once you start to generate traffic, what you want to do is send them to a capture page, or also known as a lead page, lead capture page. It basically consists of a heading, a catchy hook. It may or may not have a video. Also, there will be a spot where your prospects can enter their information and a continue or submit button, okay? With the call to action, let's see. There may be an arrow, that's your call to action. It's what focuses them on the continue button, okay? So once that person enters their information, they are then considered a lead. Now, before this person purchases anything, this is what should happen, okay? This lead should be then taken to a contact manager where you're starting to build a list of people that's interested in the product and or service that you're offering. Um, that's the name of the game. You build your list. They say the list is in the money is in the list, rather. Okay. What also should be happening is, as soon as they enter their information, they should be sent an email. Okay, and I'll explain why here in a moment. Um, what happens is that lead doesn't always purchase. Once they're taken to the sales page, after entering their information into the capture page, they don't always purchase right away, okay? They do, obviously, you make money, okay? If not, what needs to happen is, being that you have this person in your contact manager, you should be able to follow up with this person and send multiple emails over a period of time. Eventually, if you have good content and good emails, they may purchase, okay? So this is the basic structure of a sales funnel or marketing funnel. Okay, so we'll go ahead and take a look at the back office of the Power Lead system, so I can show you guys, if you use this, how how much easier this can be for you and how much will be done automatically. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm already logged into the PowerLeadSystem back office, and if you are new, they make it very easy for you to go ahead and get started promoting your business and earning money or commissions. Okay, so there's 3 steps. The first step is simply to join our Facebook group. That way you can converse with other members of PowerLeadSystem, share ideas, bounce ideas back and forth. Okay. The owners of the company are also in that group often, which you can ask them questions. Step 2 is to basically choose which link you would like to promote, okay? If you have your own domain, you can go ahead and add an unlimited amount of domains to the back office for free. You can also create an unlimited amount of subdomains, okay? So the links here, if you want to promote the PowerLeadSystem alone, which I definitely recommend, the compensation plan is awesome. Or however, you can use the PowerLeadSystem to promote whatever business you're in. Whatever business you're in, you'll go ahead and stick the domain or the affiliate link here in this field, okay? Also, what you'll see is Neil Guest, the one of the owners of the company, providing you a tour of the system or the platform. He'll also give you a quick way to get started promoting your link, okay? So that's basically how you get started, okay? So let's take a look at our sales funnel and what should we be doing, or how should we be using PLS, okay? So our first step is generating traffic. How can PLS help me generate traffic? Let's go ahead and take a look here. We got traffic generation online. There's banners, there's emails written for you. They teach you video marketing, pretty much any type of marketing you want to use online. There's also offline methods, phone call, how, verbatim what you can read off if you're on the phone. If you have a smartphone, you can create a QR code, which is pretty much an online business card, okay? There's also a training area where it's updated frequently. There's several products that you can not only learn from but share with others and earn a commission for doing so, okay? Let's go ahead and take a look at the training area. You'll see just tons of value. I can't believe they give away as much as they do, but they're good guys. I've been with the PowerLeadSystem since day one, so I can definitely vouch. There's a full-blown YouTube course back here that teaches you YouTube in and out. Let's take a look at the marketing. I know there's tons of solo vendors back here that you can use. A rotator, which is, let me explain the rotator. When you create your lead page, you may want to test different lead pages to see which one works the best, okay? So a rotator allows you to send one link out, and each time someone clicks the link, it'll show a different capture page. So once you track the results of that, you can then see which one works the best. Okay, so that's a rotator is very key. Okay, just keep that in mind. So like I say, a bunch of solo ad vendors that you can use. There's tons of value here, and it's updated. You get the Hangout replays if you miss them. So tons of value on the training. Far as how to generate traffic, our next step is the capture page, or the lead capture page. I'll show you exactly how easy that can be with the PowerLeadSystem, okay? So there's blank templates for advanced users that want to utilize their HTML skills, or you can choose one of the templates that we already have for you. Everything you can customize. Again, it's all about being unique and standing out. If you join a company and they give you a link, it may be a nice capture page, but if everyone has the same access to what you're using, just imagine how effective your marketing is if you're doing what everyone else is doing. Okay, so it's important to have something that allows you to customize your sales funnel to your personality, basically. Okay. So we want to use an opt-in form because, again, we want to build a list that we can follow up to, okay? So here are the templates. And just show you how quickly I can create a whole funnel, how I can orchestrate all of this really quickly, maybe in 5 minutes or so. Let's see how it goes. So we're going to choose this one. All of these you can edit and customize the way you want to. I'm going to choose this one here, which has the name and email. I'm going to give it a label. That way, let's just say I have a product it revolves around dog training, okay? So I want to give it a label. That way I can recognize it in the back office of the PowerLeadSystem. I'm going to go ahead, and this is what appears in the browser in the top, in the blue bar there. It helps for SEO, which is search engine optimization. Okay, so we're going to name it Dog Training Made Easy. That's what will show up at the top of the web browser. Everything is, step 1, step 2, step 3. So, very easy to use this platform. Okay, step 2 is to choose a domain. If you remember, I spoke of subdomains, which we're going to utilize here. Subdomain, we'll name it Dog Training. That way it's relatable to what I'm promoting. It'll be www.dogtraining.laterisToolate.com. Okay. Step 3 is to set up an autoresponder. If you remember, I said it's important to send out an email, and if they don't purchase initially, to be able to send out a number of emails over a period of time. What an autoresponder does is it does that automatically for you. Okay, so we talk about automation and help you free up some time. I don't have one set up for dog training. This is unscripted. I'm just giving you guys an example. Okay, so you can choose an autoresponder that PLS has created for you. You can edit those, or you can simply create your own. Again, I advise creating your own. The idea is to stand out and be unique. Okay, step 4 is to choose where do you want people to go after they submit their info into your capture page. It's your sales page. Okay, so I don't have a dog training sales page. We'll just make one up here. Alright, step 5, one awesome feature of PLS that I don't see in a lot of other marketing platforms is that you can actually rank your lead funnels on search engines such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. Okay, your description is basically let's see. So your description is what you see here. This is your description. People will read this and make sure it's what they're looking for before they actually click on it. Okay, so that's your description. I'll go ahead and see how to train your dog in 3 easy steps. Just making up something here. Okay, your keywords is what people don't see. It's what people are typing in Google to find, what they're looking for. So let's say they typed in dog training. That's considered a keyword or keywords. The idea is you want to hope your business or your website shows up. That way they can click on it, read your content, and hopefully make a purchase. Okay, so your keywords is what people are typing in to find your business. How to train a dog. And I won't fully fill that out, but you get the idea of what a keyword is, hopefully. So let's go ahead and proceed. The next step is the template that I've chosen allows me to put a video in the background. You can use one that PLS has for you, or you can use your own, whether it's from YouTube, Vimeo, or what have you. Wherever you find your video, I'm going to use one from YouTube. You'll just grab the code from the address bar, and you'll simply click use your own. You'll stick in the code. You can choose whether you want sound or not. I do. Alright, so now we're going to actually edit the actual capture page. Again, that consists of a heading, a catchy hook. It may or may not have a video, and it have a spot where they can enter their information. Okay, so we'll use this as our heading. Again, this is fully customizable. You can add pictures, locations, to pick up their location. You can add a countdown timer. There's a lot you can do with it, okay? So we have our heading there. Here's our catchy hook. Okay, so there's my hook. If there was anything else I would want to add to the capture page, I do here, but we're just going to go ahead and continue. And we're actually done, so we're given the opportunity to view it or to make changes. I'm going to go ahead and take a look and see how it, see what it looks like here. Alright, so we have our first name and email. We have our submit button. We also have a pretty cool feature that's called the social media bar, where you can add your social media platforms for people to contact you or follow you. You can add a website here. It'll have your bio with an email address, phone number, and your information, okay? Or they can simply bookmark your page. So that's a pretty cool tool to utilize. So we have a pretty cool, attractive capture page here, okay? So what happened is, again, the traffic submits their information and then they are considered a lead. So I won't do that, but that's a capture page, okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at a few other features that the PowerLeadSystem has. One is actually called a floating capture form, where you can place this portion here on any website in the world, basically virtually any website in the world, to capture their prospects' information. I created one that I call Google Magic. Let's take a look at it here. Alright, so there's Google, and this capture page just automatically appears, and we got a Michael Price. And that's pretty awesome. You can do this to any web page out there, okay? So you can build leads, and this is actually an active website here. Let's see if they close it. You can actually, it's an active website, okay? So you can stick that capture page on any website you like. The email capabilities here, we have a pretty, I hate this word, but deliverability. Pretty good deliverability rate. Simply choose the campaign that you want to send out, choose who you want to send it to, and go ahead and submit it. It'll allow you to choose when. You can schedule it, okay? There's also automated marketing messages that help you stay relevant. You don't always want to be trying to sell something. Sometimes you may, just wanting to provide value or build a relationship. So we have emails that are sent out on the holidays, okay? That's fully automated. There's nothing you have to do but turn it on, okay? Enabled, okay? So, and then you have virtual postcards that help you stay relevant. Based on, there's several different ones based on what your business and or service is. There's e-cards that you can create, okay? And if you're going to go ahead and promote the PowerLeadSystem, there's more funnels that you can duplicate, edit, or just use to, to get started very quickly. There's tons of funnels here, okay? Tons of templates, rather, okay? Let's see, again, you can add as many domains. If you already have your own, you can add as many as you like for free. It's very simple to do so. There's ad tracking, to where you can get your conversion rates, okay, which is important. You want to know which capture page is performing the best, which I spoke of when you do split testing and the rotator, where you want to see which capture page is performing the best, you can easily determine that with PLS. Okay. Also, there's let's see here. There's site statistics where you can see your clicks, how many clicks you're getting. Okay, which is it'll tell you where they're coming from. Very valuable information. If Facebook is working for you, it's important to know that if you're promoting on Twitter and Tumblr, it's important to know which one is doing the best for you, so you can track where your traffic is coming from. And again, you have your contact manager where you're building your list and you can follow up with people. Okay. We have an e-wallet to where when you earn commissions, you actually receive a pay card to where you can access your money right away. Okay. I mean, that's pretty much it. Everything that you need to do here, you can fully automate and do it correctly. There's more advanced ways which we'll get into in other videos. So I hope you guys understand the anatomy of the sales funnel. You can use this strategy in any business that you're promoting. Contact me if you have any questions. Please let me know in the comments below. If you guys got any value from this, or what you would like to learn, I'll shoot a video on it. Okay. Signing off, Residual Rogers. Thanks for watching.